Hey guys, welcome back to another video at Mort Homestead. Before we begin, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. I'm going to do something today for these next two raised garden beds that a delightful, courteous subscriber gave me the idea. Not one of the other ones that some of you guys know who I'm talking about. But anyways, I'm not going to waste this video talking about them. Said, hey, while you got that John Deere and that King Cutter tiller, to make it easier, even though that these raised garden beds, I'll show you real quick here. If you can see how they're angled down there, they were cut to drive into the ground easy. Well, some of y'all asking, why am I even anchoring them? Why am I even driving them down in the ground? Because I want to. They're my raised garden beds, so that's why I'm doing it. They were built to do that. That's the way they were made, so that's the way I'm going to do it. Some of you guys said cut the legs off and then anchor them down, but I'm not going to drive them all the way down. And see, I got this one a little bit off the ground. If I put them all the way down on the ground, that's just that much further. Lindy and my mom's going to have to bend over to get them. I just mainly wanted to drive them down a little bit to keep most of the dirt from rolling out of the bottom of them. So that was my plan. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to move these two beds, and I'm going to get that tiller, and I'm going to start right here. I'm going to till me a little spot here, soften the ground up, so these things should slide down in there a lot easier. I don't know why I didn't think of that before. Probably because I'm dumb and uneducated, you know. But either way, I'm going to do that now and see what happens. So I think it'll be a lot easier. You got the key for me, sweetie? Thank you.
Thank you for the hoe. You haven't got the other one filled yet?
Huh?
No, you haven't got the other one filled yet?
Not yet.
Are you going to? Is that what you're doing?
In a minute.
What are we going to do that fun next time?
Oh.
I don't get it. What's fun that you said we're going to do? You look like that man off of Peter Rabbit trying to kill his rabbit. Oh yeah, he does take a hoe. This is how he killed Peter and I got.
What are you doing? Are you the guy with Peter Rabbit?
Yeah.
Trying to kill them rabbits?
I think
Alright, careful, you're going to get hit in the face with the end of that hoe.
Yeah. Stick it in your hand.
Alright, I'm going to use this spot right here and till it up, look like the garden. And we'll put those garden beds back. Sound good? Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Alrighty, there you have it. Went over it 3 or 4 times, I can't remember, but it should definitely help get these things in. So let's see, number 1 coming up. Ha. Perfect.
Do you know where this came from, Daddy? Wet sand.
Wet sand? I do not.
I'm putting in seeds. You will grow, just as I tell you.
So I'm going to take that hoe, fill in around the edges here, and make sure it's all tidied up and anchored down, and it should be good to go. Yep. So thanks again. There's quite a few of you guys that mentioned doing this, so I appreciate that. It actually is going to look a lot better and all that. So I appreciate it. Thanks for the positive comments and tips. It's much appreciated here on the homestead. Alright guys, if you guys can see behind me, these look so much better.
I don't know if it's dead or not. It's not doing anything. I set down the table, it's just sitting there.
It's still breathing, isn't it?
I don't know. I couldn't tell.
Hey, don't you think these two look way better than that one?
Yeah, I think it's...
See how it's built up around it?
Is it breathing? If he's dead, we can't keep him. Is it?
They were open. I don't quite know if this thing's alive or not. But anyways, back to these. These things look so much better. Appreciate the tip. Should have. I should have noticed it before, but I didn't. That happens.
He's dead. Huh? I'm still keeping him young. Sissy, he's alive. He just moved his neck.
Did he?
Yeah.
He's probably just still real cold. They like it to be warm. So he was buried up in that dirt underneath the ground trying to stay warm. So she's going to put him in her coat.
I want to hold him. He can go in my jacket. Here, in my pocket.
No, his tail might fall off trying to get him in and out.
Sissy didn't let me hold him in a long time.
Mm.
I want to look at Dice Tree.
Ooh. Alright guys, let's go check on these animals and then we'll close this video out. We still got to do some feeding and stuff like that. I'm going to till this garden again for the evening. And then I'm going to head on over to the neighbors and till his.
He just wants to get over.
Before I got to take this tractor back.
By himself.
Oh, whoa.
What the heck? He's walking on me. He is alive.
You excited, Hunter? You guys know what you need to do?
Huh?
You need to get one of those heat lamps that we had on the chickens that we had plugged up, and you need to put him in a box. You need to put that heat lamp on there and get him nice and warm.
What do they eat?
Bugs. Little bugs.
Oh, worms? Bugs?
He might eat a worm. Alright guys, let's go check on our animals. Alright guys, well, we got another special treat. We got our second turkey egg of the year. We got one probably 5 days ago, so they're not consistent right now. It may be the same one, I don't know, but we got two. And then we got 3 regular eggs today. They're kind of slacking today. Don't know why, but we didn't get any banty eggs. We got 3 cinnamon queen brown eggs, and then we got 1 turkey egg. So not a very good day for eggs on the homestead, but it's better than a big old goose egg, 0. All right, I'm going to hop on the tractor, till our garden a little bit, then head over there. But that's all you're going to see on today's video from us. It was a pretty good day on the homestead. We got 2 raised garden beds installed the proper way, I think. Definitely the better way of the 2 options, the way I did it. And then the one that some of y'all mentioned, tilling up that ground before, really softened it up, really made it easy. I was able to just throw them down. They stuck pretty deep in there, and then I just took the excess around it with the hoe and patted it up and kind of just anchored it a little more. But it looks way better than the rest. So I appreciate that tip. Wouldn't be able to do it without all y'all and your support. All the positive feedback, even the negative feedback, is alright because it all helps the channel out. So whether you're leaving a positive comment, which we like better, or a negative comment, even if you're not trying to help us, you're helping us. So we appreciate all the interaction with all you guys. Keep it up, keep smashing that like button, keep dropping comments. Even if they're hateful, I'll just love it anyways and go on. So thank you everybody once again for clicking on this video, and until next time, God bless.